Hey everyone. It really feels like this massive AI revolution is happening all around us, right? But it can also feel like the door is locked unless you're some kind of coding genius. Well, today we are kicking that door right off its hinges. We're going to walk through exactly how you can build an amazing, lucrative career in AI without a computer science degree. Okay, let's get into it. First things first, let's just wrap our heads around the size of this opportunity. By 2030, the global AI market is projected to be worth, get this, $1.81 trillion. I mean, that's just a staggering number. This isn't just a new trend or a new industry. It's a whole new economy being built right now. The real question is, where do you fit into all of this? And that leads us straight to the biggest myth in tech today. It's this idea that to work in AI, you absolutely need a PhD, or you need years of super specialized education in programming and advanced math. Honestly, it's the #1 thing that stops people in their tracks. But as you're about to see, the reality on the ground, it's completely different. So here's our game plan. We're going to start with what I call the AI career paradox. Then we'll look at the incredible new wave of jobs that are popping up. We'll break down the toolkit you'll need, and you've got more of it than you think. We'll cover the certifications that actually get you hired, and then we'll wrap it all up with a concrete 6-month action plan to make it happen. All right, first up, the AI career paradox. This is all about the massive gap between what people think it takes to land an AI job and what companies are actually looking for today. And this breaks it down perfectly. You see, the old way of thinking was super rigid. You needed the degree, you needed the years of coding experience, period. But the new reality is so much more flexible. Companies are all in on skills-based hiring. That means they care way more about what you can do than where you went to college. And the best part, you can get the skills you need in as little as 3 to 12 months. This quote from Louisa Esposito really just nails it. Think about it for a second. This whole field is so new that nobody has a decade of experience in it. It's not possible. That means someone with 6 months of really focused, dedicated training can be just as valuable, just as competitive as someone who's been in the tech world for ages. It's a truly level playing field. Okay, so what do these non-technical jobs actually look like? Let's dive into our next section and check out some of these new career paths that don't require you to be a hardcore developer. Just take a look at these rules for a second and let these numbers sink in. An AI prompt engineer, that's someone who's great at writing instructions for AI, can make over £65,000 a year with just 3 to 6 months of training. Or an AI training data specialist who basically teaches AI models can pull in over £88,000 with just a few months of learning. We're talking about high-paying, serious careers with incredibly short runways. Let's just zoom in on one of these to make it real. The AI operations specialist. So imagine a company's sales team is spending like 10 hours a week just writing boring follow-up emails. The AI ops specialist is the person who spots that inefficiency. They come in and design a simple AI workflow that automatically writes personalized drafts for the whole team, saving them tons of time. See, you're not building the AI from scratch. You're the creative problem solver who figures out how to use it. And believe me, the demand for these roles is absolutely exploding. According to LinkedIn, overall AI job postings shot up 74% year over year. But get this, look at prompt engineering. That's a mind-blowing 209% increase. The market is literally screaming for people who have these skills. Okay, so maybe you're getting interested, but what skills do you actually need to do this? In this next section, we're going to break down your non-tech AI toolkit. And the good news, you probably already have half of it. This is so important. Your existing experience is incredibly valuable here. If you're a strong writer, a good communicator, a logical thinker, those are the foundations for so many of these new roles. And if you have deep experience in a specific field like marketing or healthcare or customer service, that domain knowledge is your absolute superpower because AI needs context and you're the one who can provide it. Now, the other half of the toolkit is the new stuff, and I promise it's all learnable. Don't get intimidated by terms like SQL or Python. You do not need to become a master programmer. It's really just about understanding the basics of how data works, and there are tons of beginner-friendly courses out there. The goal here is proficiency, not perfection. So let's keep going. How do you actually prove to a potential employer that you have these new skills? This is where certifications come in. In this new world of skills-based hiring, they can be a golden ticket. And here's why they are so powerful right now. Recent data shows that nearly half of all employers, 46%, are actively trying to hire based on skills, not just degrees. A certification is a loud, clear signal to them that you've put in the work and you have the practical knowledge they need, no matter what your background is. It's a fantastic way to get your foot in the door. So which one should you look at? Well, the Google Data Analytics Certificate is a fantastic starting point. It's super well recognized, and it covers all the core skills you need for pretty much any data-related AI role. It's literally designed to help you land an entry-level job and fast. Now, if you're maybe more interested in the big picture strategy side of things, the Microsoft AI Product Manager Certificate is an amazing option. This one teaches you how to guide an AI product all the way from just an idea to a full launch. And notice that beautiful phrase right there, no degree required. It is all about the skill. And for those of you who really want to show you're serious about this, an industry-specific certification like this one can make your resume pop. It's designed to validate your practical skills for those really high-impact roles, like leading AI projects or shaping a company's entire automation strategy. Okay, we have covered a lot: the opportunity, the jobs, the skills, the certs. In our final section, let's put it all together into a clear, step-by-step action plan to get you from where you are right now to hired in just 6 months. Here it is, your blueprint. Step 1, spend 1 or 2 months just learning the fundamentals. Step 2, spend the next 2 to 3 months getting a solid certification. Now, step 3 is absolutely crucial. Build a portfolio while you're learning. See, a certificate says you know the stuff, but a portfolio shows you can do the stuff. Analyze some data, build a cool prompt library. This is your proof. And finally, step 4, start networking and applying. So, if you take just one thing away from all this, please let it be this. The biggest barrier holding most people back from a career in AI isn't a piece of paper from a university. It's not a computer science degree. It's the mindset. It's the belief that they can't do it. But the opportunity is right there for anyone who is willing to learn. You know, AI is fundamentally rewriting the next chapter of our world. It's creating millions of brand new jobs that require human creativity, human judgment, and human insight. The only question left is, what will your role be?